Hello folks, welcome to this session, and today we are going to discuss the best time to sell and buy stock problem. In this problem, we are given an array of prices on a given day, ith day. What we want to do is we want to maximize the profit by choosing a single day to buy one stock and a different day in the future to sell that stock. We want to return the maximum profit we achieve from this transaction. If we are not able to achieve any profit, then we would return 0. Let's say in this example, we can buy the stock at price 1 and sell it at price 6. And that way we can earn a profit of 5. So we will buy it at a minimum price before we arrive at the maximum price. Okay, similarly, like there is this case, the price is always decreasing. Whenever we will buy, we would always be at loss, so we would not buy this. And in that case, our output would be 0. Let us look at some of the constants. The price's length means the array, the length of this array can go up to 10 raised to the power 5, and the prices of shares can go from 0 to 10,000. Okay, with this intuition, let's try to solve this problem. And before that, let's try to analyze it. So I draw a diagram here. So this x-axis is index and y-axis is the share price. So index is the ith day. So we have one array 7, 1, 5, 3, 6, 4. So we start from 7, and then on day 2 price become 1. Okay, and then day 2 the price become 5. On day 3 the price becomes 3. On day 4 the price becomes 6. On day 5 the price becomes 4. So we only have 5 days. So we would like to buy at the minima, and we would like to sell at the maxima at a later price. Okay, so what is the intuition here? Intuition is that we would iterate through once, and we will try to figure out what's the maximum till that moment, and we will figure out the maximum profit. Okay, let's start with 0, and we'll go to prices dot length. Then we would also initialize two integers, maximum profit, which would be 0, and maximum price. Okay, maximum price, let's start with 0. We should not start with 0. Probably we should start with the first price. Okay, we should start with the first price. And what's the first price? First price is 0, and here we would figure out max price equal to math.max of comma the current price. And what is the current price? Price is I. Okay, so this is the current price, and the maximum profit would be math.max of, we would start this with 1, and if we have only one price, then definitely it would be 0, so we would not like to iterate through it. Okay, but this should not be 1, which means if we have prices dot length less than equal to 1, we would always return 0. Okay, max price, we will start with 0, and we would have a max price, and the max profit would be maximum of max profit till now. Okay, there seems a problem here, which means that when are we buying this? Okay, max profit, max price, which is fine, but okay, we should buy this stock. Let's say we buy this at the first place, in the first, and then if that gets decreasing, we would buy at that minimum price, and we would sell at that price where we are getting the maximum profit. Okay, so this should looks fine. We okay, this buy decision has happened here. Okay, so this is buy price, right? We should have this as buy price, and okay, so buy price would be the buy price, and we should be minimum of this. Okay, and max profit would be, if there is already a max profit, that's fine. Otherwise it would be the current price minus the buy price. Does it make sense? Okay, current price minus buy price. So what we are doing here is, we see that we can buy at any price, and if it is decreasing, we would buy at that lower price, and after that we would figure out, like, because the max profit, we would start this with 0. If we have booked a profit till now, that is fine. If it is 0, then it's also fine. We start this with 0, and this price, the first price, the current price that's there, and if there is a lower buy price before that, we would book the max profit. Okay, so with this intuition, I think it should give us a correct result. Let's say return max profit. Let's try to run it. Okay, semicolon expected on line 6. Okay, we would keep increasing iterating I till prices dot length is, okay, I less than prices dot length. Okay, let's try to execute it. Oh, typo. Okay, this is accepted. Let's try to submit it. Okay, we are able to get answer in 2 milliseconds, which is faster than 93.08% of the submissions. Thank you folks. See you in the next one.